And the more they grow, the more we can see the colonies. And from each colony, we inoculate again another petri dish. And as such, after 3 months, we have isolated each and every single microorganism. And that we can then put in a little tube that we keep in a freezer at -80 degrees to preserve for the future. Next to that, there is the fridges in the library where we have the physical sample present that we maintain by refreshing it every 2 months with the original flour. So we do not only have a collection of sourdoughs in our library, we also have a huge collection of flours, because some of the sourdoughs contain 2, 3, there is even one that is containing 6 types of flour. Yeah, so that's what making every sourdough unique, because they all have their own recipe. The ratio of water and flour in combination with the sourdough itself makes them taste different, makes them smell different, makes them ferment different. I don't know if you are on social media and you would like to see more, you can, on my Instagram account, I'm publishing a lot of pictures of these sourdoughs in the library, and I tell stories about them.